Sermon number 55. When his men showed impatience on his delay in giving them permission to fight, in Siffin. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Well, as for your idea whether this delay is due to my unwillingness for death, then by Allah, I do not care whether I proceed towards death or death advances towards me. As for your impression that it may be due to my misgivings about the people of Syria, Sham. Well, by Allah, I did not put off war even for a day except in the hope that some group may join me, find guidance through me and see my light with their weak eyes. This is dearer to me than to kill them in the state of their misguidance, although they would be bearing their own sins.